Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our skill courses channel. In today's video, we will discuss about top 5 freelancers to develop online skills. So let me discuss this topic until the end. So my number one skill you have to learn for a freelancing. So web development, that is full stack web development. So you have to key skill required for HTML front end, that is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js, and Node.js. So this kind of skill you have to require for that. So which are the website are best for that? So let's we move on to my computer screen. So I will go to a Google Chrome, then I will type here the coding project. मैंने यहाँ पे चला गया, ये देखो द ओडिंग प्रोजेक्ट योर करियर डॉट वी हैव स्टार्ट हियर. I click over here. ये देखो all path about community support and sign in. So if you want create, आपको यहाँ पे जाने के लिए get started, आप यहाँ पे क्लिक करो. सबसे पहले आप अपना यूजर नेम, ईमेल आईडी, पासवर्ड एंड पासवर्ड कंफर्मेशन. उसके बाद आप साइन अप करो. आफ्टर द साइन अप your account is created over here in coding project and you can purchase any kind of one of the web development platform. आप वेब डेवलपमेंट का एक कोर्स आप परचेज कर सकते हैं, दैट इज Node.js. और ये इफ यू वांट टू लर्न अबाउट फुल स्टैक वेब डेवलपमेंट, आप फुल स्टैक वेब डेवलपमेंट भी आप सीख सकते हो या परचेज कर सकते हो वो कोर्स. इसी प्रकार से आप अपना स्किल इस वेबसाइट से आप डेवलप करके आप अपना खुद का एक फ्रीलांसिंग पे आप काम कर सकते हो. ओके, सो इट इज माय फर्स्ट वेबसाइट फॉर दैट. And my number second website is graphic design, UI UX designing. So another there is a website is that I will go here in Google and then I will domestica. Okay, so I will go here again. Here you see this is the website Domestica online courses for creative professionals. Okay, I click here. So you see here you can buy the course from here. Okay, you can see here drawing for the beginner level 1, modern watercolor techniques, what are there. So you can buy this kind of courses. A course 74 rupees, 74 rupees, you see here. Okay, then you can see here creative drawing techniques, what is the pricing. You can see here pricing. You can buy these courses from here. After you can learn these courses, you this is also best for freelancing skills to develop your skill. ओके, मतलब आप अपने ये इस कोर्स से कुछ चीजें यूआई डिजाइनिंग, ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग, कुछ एडिटिंग के टूल्स आप यहाँ से सीख सकते हो और यहाँ से आप अपना खुद का एक फ्रीलांसिंग वर्क आप कर सकते हो. ओके, this is my second website. You can learn this graphic design. Then my number third website is the digital marketing SEO tool. उसके लिए एक अलग अच्छी वेबसाइट है. So I will go here in Simply Learn. Simply Learn is a best for any kind of digital marketing platform. So best digital marketing course online 2025. You see here. You see all courses you can see here. Okay, digital marketing, meta ads, you can see a professional certificate of digital marketing. Suppose you want to learn about view program, so view program पे गया और यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो. यदि आपको अप्लाई करना, you can apply from here, apply now button. If you want to see the download the syllabus, you can download the syllabus from here. You have to give the name, email, phone number. You have to total work experience about that. So you can download the syllabus. Then they will do the download their syllabus. You see here application closure 19th of July. Program duration कितने month का है? 8 months का है. Learning format live, online and interactive. Why you should join this program? You see here application close 19th of July. You see here 5 days, 4 hours, 43 minutes and 19 seconds are available over here. Okay. Why you join? SP Jing Global Excellence, experience hands of learning, then all of official partners and metas. You see here program impact is 300%. ओपन जॉब्स फॉर द मार्केट में जो 50,000 जॉब्स अवेलेबल है. इंडस्ट्रियल एवरेज सैलरी कितनी, 7,25,000 की एवरेज सैलरी है वहाँ पे. ओके, डिजिटल मार्केटिंग प्रोग्राम इन इंडिया ओवरव्यू, मतलब वो आपको ओवरव्यू है यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो. इफ यू वांट टू अप्लाई, यू कैन सी अप्लाई नाउ बटन. आप यहाँ से अप्लाई करो. when you apply over you should type your name, then email address, then phone number and total work experience. Suppose मुझे कोई experience नहीं तो not experience I will select it. I will type my phone number over here, then I will type my mail ID, and then I will type my name. Then I will after proceed. You see here what is the eligibility criteria. उसके साथ ये eligibility criteria भी देखो. A bachelor degree in any discipline, मतलब आपके पास एक बैचलर डिग्री होनी चाहिए. 2 साल का एक थोड़ा बहुत एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए. एटलीस्ट 2 years एक्सपीरियंस टू बी प्रेफरेबल. और मार्केट बैकग्राउंड आर नॉट रिक्वायर्ड, मतलब मार्केट की जिस फील्ड में आप काम करते हो वो उसकी रिक्वायर्ड नहीं है. मार्केटिंग बैकग्राउंड इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. ओके. फिर आप प्रोसीड करके आप मार्केटिंग की कुछ डिजिटल marketing course you can learn from. Okay. Then my number 4th is content creation and copywriting. So you can create your own content writing course from YouTube, from Coursera. I will go here another tab. I will type here Coursera for content writing. You see a best content writing course certificate. You can see I will click here. You can choose this certificate. You can choose the one kind of course. Suppose if you want to the strategy of content marketing, if you want to click over here, you see here, you see this course start enroll from 14th of July. Okay. So already enrolled. How much people are already enrolled? You see 6,77,000 people are already enrolled. Okay. There are 5 modules over here. And what about you can learn about strategic marketing, social media marketing, branding, content marketing, writing, business ethics, multimedia. These all are things you can see here and you can learn from here. Okay, 97% most of the learners like this course. Okay, so you see here there are syllabus, content marketing ecosystem, strategic context, mapping journey. These are the you see here. These all are modules are show over here. You can enroll from here, enroll now button, and you can join from this kind of course. Okay. In my last point is video editing and animation. The best video editing platform is Motion Designing School. Chalo, let's go to our computer screen. Motion Designing School for video editing. Okay. यहाँ पे गया मैं and you see here motion designing school. About that I will click here. देखो ये motion designing school का ये website open हुए courses. about the courses कौन से courses है. You see here blender rockstar, spine blender, motion, modern motion wall one. These all courses are show like animation and video editing. So for warm and after effects you can see here about after effects, mineral motion, Rive interactive motions. These all are courses are show over here. If you want to learn, suppose if you want to learn this kind of After Effects, so I will learn more. You can see here learn more options. Okay, so you see here this kind of course is $199. So you can see here just like a 8 to 9,000 or 10,000 of rupees. Okay, so you see you can also learn about the Blender also After Effects. Okay, this kind of course are show over here. First of all, you have to see here sign up over here. You have to first register of your mail ID password over here, and then you have to purchase this kind of courses. Okay, you see your first name, last name. Then you have to type your email ID password, and you have to create an account. After you create an account, you can purchase any courses from the design regardings. Okay, so these are the top 5 websites that you can learn for freelancing. So if you like my informative video, so please like it, share it, and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.